Hey, well, as you all know, it's the end of the month, so we've got to give away some merchandise. That is the plan. We've got some winners. We've chose some winners. These people have been commenting and watching YouTube videos. They're liked and subscribed and all that jazz like I go on about all the time. So we're going to win some hats. So some beanies, which are very nice and certainly been keeping me warm. Although I've got my Powerflex hat on today because we love Powerflex. Yes, so we've got some winners. For winner number 1 is Mason Wright. Mason, whoever you are, make sure you comment on this video. I will get your details and we'll get you a beanie sent out. And the other winner is G Hustler. Love it. Just love it. G Hustler, you are also a winner. So if you're going to like this video, say hello, I will get your details off you and we will get this beanie hat sent out. We're going to do this every month, so there's always merchandise to win. There's going to be some competitions coming up. We're going to win some parts. Now, I appreciate that we've got a bit of a mixed bag audience, so our main subscribers are either Honda Civic owners or they are Mitsubishi Colt owners. So that's our sort of main core followers at the moment. So if it happens that somebody wins a product that isn't a Colt or an FN2 owner, we're still going to sort you out with some nice goodies. So yeah, we'll put some parts up to win. Don't know what they're going to be yet, but perhaps some suggestions from you guys. We're going to keep making merchandise and getting it on the website soon so people can buy stuff, buy merchandise, which is nice. Shout out to the owners clubs, the FN2 owners clubs, the CZTOC for all your support and stuff. We're going to keep doing this, keep making videos. We got lots of work in this week, so there's going to be some YouTube videos coming thick and fast. Got a lovely EP3 in today, so that's having some Tegiwa bits and bobs like manifolds, and then we're going to map it on a K100, so that'll be nice. So you'll see that video in a bit. But yeah, so thanks everyone for subscribing, liking, commenting. Keep it up, really helps me. I enjoy it. Rich doesn't necessarily enjoy it, having a camera thrust in his face, but he's getting used to it, so that's all good. And obviously Jason just swears a lot and he's on his phone most of the time. So yeah, brilliant. Thanks guys, thanks again. We will speak to you soon and I'll see you on the next video. Congratulations to the winners. Bye bye.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.